Hello friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can copy a link to a YouTube video. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under the video, write comments, and let us get started with you. So, in order to copy a link to any YouTube video, when you open this app, first go to that video, open it up, and then, friends, you can click on this share sign here. And then at the bottom, you can select Copy Link. Now you have the link copied and you can easily paste it wherever you want or send it. For example, if I go to Instagram, I can send this link. To do that, just press and hold and select Paste and Send. And send. You can do the same thing in any, for example, Messenger or any social network. You can also paste this link somewhere in your notebook on your phone. And in general, wherever you want this link it will be active, you can easily open it and go to it. That's how you can copy the link to a YouTube video very easily, friends. Hope this video was helpful for you, friends. Please put your likes, write your comments under the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care.